So I made the dipshit mistake of leaving my tailgate outside in the rain, and this is what happened. Yep, good old surface rust. Like a dipshit, left it out there. But luckily, it's just surface rust and it cleans up real good, as you can see. So I'm halfway done. I'll be done within the next hour or so. Just scraping off the surface rust and getting it cleaned up again, be ready for primer. What I'm also going to do though, I was thinking as I was cleaning, is like these seams right here where the skins meet. See this, all this right here? All that? This seam right here. Okay. And all along. Okay. All these seams right here that pop out. Okay. Right here in this corner too, you know. Anyways, right there where all that meets, I'm thinking of filling that in and just make it all nice and smooth as one piece. You know, it'll be easy to do. I'll just go ahead and do that. That's kind of like what I did here on the tailgate, on the body, on the bed. Okay, as you can see, I went ahead and I filled in that seam, and now it's all just about one piece. Then like right here where the tail lights and all that meet, see that? I just made it one piece where the tail lights and all that meet the rest of the body. So I'll just go ahead and do that to the tailgate so it all matches. Okay. So anyway, I got my door panels ready for paint. Now I just got to clean this up again and we'll be good to go.